And the next project 7, grammatical missing and adjustment. 1. Grammatical missing and adjustment. A. The word clothing, of course, of, and of course. The definite article in English is the. The equivalent in Indonesian is that, this, that, and that. Word infinite clothing in English is an or and, whereas at 17.9 in Indonesian is a fish of one. Noteworthy is this article does not always mean but be translated into Indonesia. Consider the following example. The horse is grazing in the yard. Jadi kudanya sedang merumput di halaman, bukan kudanya sedang merumput di halaman tersebut. The definite article the must be translated without the word the meaning of the conglomerate. The word is better removed if the noun explained with the is clear from the context. Plural. B. Plural. The plural in English is not always necessarily translated into the plural nominal form of repetitive words inside Indonesian English that recognize nominal concord or agreement, whereas in Indonesian, numbers or words that indicate plural should not be followed by meaningful words plural. Consider the following example. 2 books, 2 buku, bukan 2 buku-buku. Some books, beberapa buku, bukan beberapa buku-buku. Few people, beberapa orang, jadi bukan nothing, beberapa orang-orang. And C. Pronouns. In English, there are pronouns she, her, hers, he, him, it, is, they, them, their, theirs, we, our, and ours. In Indonesian, the replacement for are not as complete as that, especially regarding sex. She actually means he is female, and they means he is with male gender. They are therefore humans or objects. Consider the following example. In the darkness, the big old house looks so frightening. It stands with no neckboard, alone in the middle of the forest. Its windows locked all time. Nobody knows what's behind them. Jadi dalam kegelapan rumah tua yang besar itu nampak sangat menakutkan. Rumah tersebut terpencil tanpa tetangga. Sendirian di tengah hutan itu. Jendela-jendelanya terkunci sepanjang waktu tanpa seorang pun tahu ada apa di balik jendela-jendela itu. Jadi kata benda verbal atau gerund. The verb noun gerund in English is from verb 1 plus ing. It started like a noun. Therefore, said this verb object can accept the position of the subject, the object of the sentence, or preposition object. The cause construction is not known in Indonesian a type of verbal noun. And then there are two possible translations with verb or nouns derived from the verb. Consider the following example. You will study the history of whaling and the present critical situation of this magnificent animal. Jadi Anda akan mempelajari sejarah penangkapan ikan paus dan situasi kritis saat ini dari binatang yang hebat tersebut. A. The phrase noun. In English, noun phrase usually consists of construction, clothing plus adjective plus noun. In language Indonesian, usually noun phrase consists of clothing plus noun adjective. Consider the following example. A patient man, seorang lelaki yang sabar. An intelligent young girl, seorang gadis muda yang cerdas. A tall water tower, sebuah menara air yang tinggi. A long winding road, sebuah jalan yang panjang dan berliku atau jalan panjang yang berliku. From the above example, noun phrase in Indonesian, the adjective has predicate it. Meanwhile, in English, the word traits don't have to be in front of nouns like the formula above. F. Participle. In English, the are construction called present participle and past participle. Present participle has the sum from verb 1 plus ing, and past participle are forms of verb 3 of the verb. This form can be used to form phrase and object, adjective characteristics, but type are usually translated with nouns from the participle forms. Active and past participle nature of it carry a passive nature. So there is a difference between stealing robot and stolen robot. In the following sentence, it is stealing robot. Inikah robot pencuri itu? Is it the stolen robot? Inikah robot curian itu? Konsep kala atau tenses. English recognizes the extent of tenses or concept at the time. From the verb change according to the time, it is not donde. So walking or walking form can be located walk. Active 5. Will walk, have walked, had walked, and walked. Will inside Indonesian is just walking. The context helps the reader to understand the time of the event. In this side already and have been able to help explain that incident took place in the past. But if the context is not explained, words like this are no longer needed, as will with the word later. To indicate when will come might be a word medium, which is very useful. Question text. In English, a question of a certain type, which has a head behind the main clause, is useful for test the speaker's belief or opinion. This sentence is called a question. 18.7. The text. In Indonesian, there are also this type of sentence. It is just the affix form at the end of the sentence is different. Consider the following example. You are not serious, are you? Anda tidak sungguh-sungguh, bukan? Di dalam contoh di atas dapat dilihat bahwa semua jenis teks bisa memilih menjadi bukan atau bila disingkatkan. Kalimat pengandaian atau conditional sentence. Untuk mengerjakan ini, kita merumuskan sebagai berikut. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, if verb 1 atau will verb 1. Sedangkan dalam bahasa Inggris, jika verb akan menjadi verb. Yang kedua itu, kata yang kedua, if verb 2 bisa menjadi will verb 1. Jadi dalam bahasa Inggris, jika saja verb akan menjadi verb. Yang ketiga, if had verb 3, would have verb 3. Jadi dalam bahasa Inggrisnya, seandainya verb akan tetap menjadi verb. Example, contohnya itu, if you come to the party, you will meet him personally. Jika kamu datang ke pesta ini, kamu akan bertemu dengannya secara pribadi. Similar to test preposition are linguist sentence English that use the verb with or the phrase subjunctive on basical. This is a preposition sentence. 2. That is presupposition sentence type 2 and 3. Consider the following example. With a word with you know, seandainya saja kamu bersamamu sekarang. I wish you had been with me that time. Aku berharap kau bersamaku saat ini, tapi sayang kamu tidak ada di sampingku. And G. Kalimat ellipsis. An ellipsis A sentence is a sentence that has one of its components eliminated. To track back this component eliminated, the reader chorus refers to the previous sentence. In the structure of English, verbs, nouns, or other words can be omitted in the sentence which contain structural elements. In language Indonesian, is sometimes an element that can be omitted. In language England can be eliminated, sometimes also not. Consider the following example. Bill brought some meat to the camping ground and Tony some sugar. Bill membawa sedikit daging ke perkemahan itu dan Tony membawa sedikit. Kata ganti. Jadi kata ganti it di awal kalimat. English has the following sentence structure. It plus to plus be plus bla 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 it plus infinite phrase. Jadi next it plus to plus be plus bla 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 plus that clause or relative clause. Jadi translator need to be careful because the word is not always means that, the thing, this thing, or the like. The word here function as object, but there is no meaning. The point is to emphasize speech or part of a sentence that is in the position of the point inside the sentence above. There are various ways to apply pressure inside Indonesian. Consider the following example. It is frightening to realize that nuclear plant could be a total catastrophe for the environment. Sungguh mengerikanlah menyadari bahwa pembangkit tenaga listrik dapat menjadi bencana bagi lingkungan. And finally, thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.